Have you ever wondered what the stars have in store for you, Gemini, in March 2024? Well, let's take a peek into the cosmic realm. The universe beckons you to a gateway of adventures, a month filled with shifts and surprises. Your ruling planet Mercury, known for its agility and intellect, takes the helm this month. Imagine it as a cosmic maestro, orchestrating a symphony of celestial energies to stimulate your communication and adaptability. Whether it's a casual conversation or a crucial negotiation, your words will flow with an uncanny ease. And as the winds of change blow, your inherent flexibility will have you dancing along, turning the gusts into graceful pirouettes. So it's not just about keeping up with the changes, but making them work to your advantage. So get ready, Geminis. March is a month of change and curiosity, a journey where the only constant is your ability to adapt and thrive. In the realm of love, Geminis, March 2024 brings exciting developments. As the stars align this month, you'll find your relationships brimming with opportunities for deeper connections. With your ruling planet Mercury guiding your communication, your words will become your most potent tool. Use them wisely to express your feelings, your ideas, and your dreams. For those of you in relationships, it's a time to deepen your bond through intellectual engagement and shared experiences. Engage in a meaningful conversation, plan a trip together, or dive into a project you both are passionate about. For the singles, this month encourages you to seek connections that stimulate you intellectually. Look for potential partners who can match your wit, spark your curiosity, and share your thirst for knowledge. Remember, Geminis, connections that spark both the mind and heart await you. So embrace the magic of words, indulge in shared experiences, and let your love take flight this March. On the professional front, Geminis, your adaptability becomes your strength. March of 2024 is set to be a month of exciting breakthroughs, particularly for those of you engaged in innovative projects. Your duality, represented by the twins, fuels your ability to approach challenges from different angles, leading to unique solutions that impress and inspire. Financially, the stars suggest a need for strategic planning. Your curiosity and quick thinking, characteristics often associated with your air sign, will aid you in identifying promising investments and opportunities. In ventures that allow you to express your individuality and versatility, expect to see significant progress. Remember, your strength lies in your adaptability and your ability to communicate effectively. Use these traits to your advantage, whether you're negotiating a deal, presenting a new idea, or navigating the twists and turns of your financial journey. So gear up, Geminis, success is around the corner. Health and well-being, Geminis, are about striking the right balance in March 2024. The stars are aligning to create a unique equilibrium, one where your mind and body both seek nourishment. And remember, this is the month to listen to your body's whispers before they turn into screams. Your sign, under Mercury's influence, craves mental stimulation. Engage your mind with puzzles, books, or stimulating conversations. Social interaction too plays a crucial role in your well-being. Connect with like-minded individuals, share ideas, and let your intellectual curiosity soar. But just as the mind seeks stimulation, the body needs its rest. Incorporate physical activities that promote relaxation and well-being. Yoga, meditation, or a simple walk in the park can do wonders. The trick to a healthy March lies in balancing these two aspects. Mental stimulation and physical rest are two sides of the same coin. Keep in mind, Geminis, harmony lies in balancing mental stimulation with physical rest. There are 2 dates, Geminis, that you need to mark on your calendar in March 2024. These dates are not arbitrary. They are celestial signposts marking the rhythm of your cosmic journey. The first date is the 12th of March. As Mercury, your ruling planet, aligns favorably in your chart, it supercharges your communication skills. Words will flow effortlessly, ideas will spark like fireworks, and you'll find yourself in a dance of dialogue and discovery. It's a day to express your thoughts, share your vision, and let your voice be heard. Fast forward to the 26th of March. This day promises a surprising revelation. You might uncover a long-held secret or gain a fresh perspective on an old issue. It's a day of illumination, of seeing the familiar in a new light. So be prepared, Geminis. Surprising revelations may lie ahead, but remember, the stars don't dictate your path, they only light the way. In conclusion, Geminis, March 2024 is your month for exploration. It's a month where you'll embark on a journey of discovery, guided by the twin stars of your constellation. Embrace the winds of change and let your curiosity be your compass. Seek connections that spark both your mind and heart, for they will be the fuel that propels your journey forward. In your career, may your adaptability and innovation navigate you towards success. And remember, balance is key, not just in your finances, but also in your health and well-being. Nurture both your body and mind, and you'll find the harmony you seek. Mark the 12th and 26th of March on your calendar, for these dates hold significant astrological events that could enhance your communication skills and bring surprising revelations. Until we meet again, Geminis, may your journey be filled with growth and discovery. May the stars guide you on your voyage.